Okay. Okay, very good, Diptak. Okay. Okay. So students, look at the board, everyone. Look at the board, everyone. 1 minute, just. Okay. Now, students, that motion and time. Today, I will discuss some two terms only, that is slow and fast. Slow and fast. Today, I will discuss slow and fast and distance. These three topics I will discuss in this class. Okay. First of all, when we can compare two object, between two object, this is faster body, this is faster object or slower object. First we have to know when we can compare. What is the condition? If two object, okay, I am writing that condition here. If two object are moving, if two objects are moving in the same direction, then we can compare the object. We can compare the object as slower, faster object or slower object. Faster object or slower object between two objects. Okay, between two objects. Okay, so what is the condition? If two body that moving in the same direction, then we can say only that condition. What is the condition? If two objects are moving in the same direction, then you can say that one is faster, one is slower. If they moving, one is along this direction and another is along this direction, that time you cannot say. Which one is faster. That time, so condition, they should move in the same direction, like this direction. Okay, A and B, two particle. That time you can say. Otherwise, you cannot compare. Now, for an example, that Ram start its journey at 10 a.m. and Rahim starts at journey at 10 a.m. After 30 minutes, Ram reach at point B and Rahim at C. Now you can say which one is faster between Ram and Rahim. Which one is fast? Very fast. Okay, answer it quickly. Rahim at the same time, but after 30 minutes, which are, because it covers more distance than Rahim. Okay, sorry, Ram. About faster and slower object, any object. If between two objects, which one is covers more distance in the certain interval of time, that body is first. If any object covers less distance the other object in the same time interval, then that object is called slower object, or that object in slow motion. Clear it is, student, that fast and slow, that term, these two terms are clear? Yes or no? Quickly answer. Yes or no? Quickly answer. Quickly. Okay, very good. So now tell me, and Tanaj, they starts at 8 a.m. start walking from the same position, and after 30 minutes Tanaj covered 2 kilometer Anubhav 2 kilometer and Tanaj 1 kilometer. Then who is faster? Who is faster here? Who is faster here? Yes, Anubhav. Because within 30 minutes, that certain interval of time means that 30 minutes, Anubhav have covered 2 kilometers more distance than Tanaj. That's why Anubhav is faster here. Anubhav is faster here, not object. Anubhav is faster. Okay. Okay. If I use that object, that is not good. Okay. By mistake, I have used that which is faster object. Okay. That which one is faster? That is Anubhav, because he covers more distance than Tanaj at the certain time of interval. And what is the time interval? That is 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, okay. Next question. That is Nilanjan and Moinak. Nilanjan start moving from here at 8 a.m. and Moinak start moving from here at 8 a.m. Okay. Which one is faster? Quickly answer. I want to check first 3 students. I want to check name of the first 3 students. Which one is faster? Sir, cannot compare. Oh my God. Sanchita, Moinak. Very good, Moinak. You answer Moinak. That you know that you will win. Sneha, Nilanjan. Okay. Very good, Sneha. They are defined reaction. Okay. Nilanjan, Deeptak. Okay. They cannot be defined. Okay. Oh, Anubhav answered. So, and very good and well done, Sanchita Malakar, because she first answered, sir, we cannot compare because they are moving in the opposite direction. Then how can I compare? If I can compare, they should move in the same direction. I have told you that they move in the same direction. Here, these 2 bodies are moving in opposite direction. Then how can it is not possible. It is not possible to say this one is faster. So we cannot say that which one, Nilanjan or Moinak. Moinak answer, I am faster than Nilanjan, but it is wrong. Okay. Clarities to everyone. Clarities to everyone that slow motion and fast motion, it is clear to everyone? Yes or no? Answer it quickly. Okay, very good. Okay, next. So next, distance. Okay. First I am writing the definition of distance. What is distance? The actual path which is covered by the moving object is called distance. So what is distance? The actual path which is covered by the moving object is called distance. And SI unit of distance and CGS unit of distance. Okay. Anyone can say what is the SI unit of distance? That is meter. And centimeter, that is cm. And meter for m. So SI unit of distance, that is, and meter. Sir, you have written the definition of what I am. The distance. What is distance? First of all, the distance means, for an example, okay, that is in together mode. Change it to grid view. Okay. Tanaj, I have changed beta. Wait 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Sir, what is happening? I am in the in front of a rock. That is happening, not in the class. Okay. So distance. Let Tanaj. Okay, it is Tanaj starts here. Tanaj, okay, it is not. So I am just erasing that definition, okay. Tanaj starts here from the point A. She moves B 2 kilometers. Okay, someone, I think someone is changing the mode. Don't do that. It is very much irritating. It is very much irritating. It is also disturbing for the class. A to B and B to C. 2 kilometer and 1 kilometer. Then Tana starts moving from the point here. Okay. And she moves first 2 kilometer and then 1 kilometer. What is the distance covered by the Tanaj? What is the distance covered by the Tanaj? Answer it quickly. Answer it quickly. Moinak Ghosh. Don't do that. Moinak, beta. It is very much irritating and also disturbing for the class. Don't do that, beta. Okay. Concentrate on the class. Yes. Distance is sir AB plus BC. That distance is covered by the Tanaj. So 2 plus 1, 3 kilometer. I hope it is clear to everyone. I hope it is clear to everyone. Next sums. Today I will take 2 minutes less class because of your attendance. First day I have not taken your attendance. Okay, listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. A rectangular field, that is A, B, I am marking it A, B, C, D. In class 9, in class 5 or 6, we have learned what is rectangle. Rectangle means the opposite sides are equal. Okay, so it is a field and its shape is rectangular and it is 50 meter and it is 20 meter. Okay, first few students starts moving from here. So first one that is, okay, Deeptak starts moving from A to along this side A to C. Okay, then what distance have covered by Deeptak? Quickly answer. Deeptak starts moving here and stop at C, A to C. What is the distance covered by? Okay, Sneha answer 70. Deep 70, Anubhav 70, Sanchita. Okay, very good. Right answer. So as it is 50 meter, it is also 50 meter. As it is 20 meter, it is also 20 meter. So A, that is A to C, means AB plus BC, that is 50 plus 20, that equal to 70 meter. Okay, got it everyone? Next, Abhinandita starts moving here and stop at C. Abhinandita stops here A to D, moves A to D. Okay, A to D. Then tell me what is the distance covered by Abhinandita? Quickly answer it. A to C, A to D. Anubhav answer 1 to along Sanchita, along this direction. Okay, along this direction. Sanchita, along this direction also we. Okay, who answer first? That answer Anubhav 120. Very good. Anubhav answer 120. Sneha wrong. Deeptak 140. No, it is wrong. Tanaj 120. Abhinandita 140. How can it possible, beta? A to D means AB plus BC plus AD. AB plus BC plus CD. So it is 50 plus 20, that is 120 meter. Okay, that is 120 meter. It is wrong. Okay, so 120 is the correct answer. Next, Next students, that Moinak, okay, Moinak have run. Ankita Hajra. Ankita starts moving here and she stops at point A to A. What distance he has covered? Very good. All of you are giving right answer, because sir, A to A means AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. So that 50 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, BC equal to 20, not 50, and CD equal to 50, and it is 20. So 140 meter. I hope it is clear. Very good. And the last question from distance. It is an equilateral triangle. So a field that is equilateral triangle having 60 meter side. So equilateral triangle, I know that equilateral triangle, you know what is equilateral triangle. It means all sides are equal. So Sanchita starts here moving along this direction, and she moves 2 rounds. Listen it carefully. She moves 2 rounds of the field. She gives 2 rounds of the field. Then what distance covered by Sanchita? Quickly answer it. She moves 2 rounds. Okay, very good. Anubhav, Deeptak. Moinak wrong. I have mentioned here 2 rounds. So first 60 plus 60 plus 60. 1 round means 180 meter. So 2 round means 180 into 2, that is 360 meter. Very good. Those who have answered 360 meter, Sanchita, now you are answering. It is your question. You have given wrong answer. Okay, beta. And the last question. This question answered first by Anubhav Mondal for the Anubhav Mondal. Okay, so it is a square field. Okay, and Anubhav starts running from here, and he covers 4, having side 20 meter. 4 times he rounds the square field 4 times. What distance covered by Anubhav? Quickly answer. A square field having side 20 meter, he 4 times he covered the distance. Okay, all are answering 320. Okay, let me check. Beta, it is 20 and 20. So one round means 20 plus 20 40 plus 20 60 and 80, and 4 times, that is 80 into 4, 320 meter. Clear it is. Sanchita 180 meter for 80 meter for 1 times. 80 meter for 1 time. So 1 first time, second time, third time, fourth time. So 4 times means you have to multiply 18 to 4. Got it? Sanchita got the point? Yes or no? Yeah, yes. 18 to 4, 320. Okay, beta. So students, today I end this class and end this topic also here. I hope all of you have got the point and enjoy it little bit, that no confusion regarding distance and slow, and next day I will discuss speed. Okay? No homework for today. Okay, now I am going to take your attendance. Okay. Wait. Abir Ghosh. Agnik Das.